To buy corporate bonds on eTrade, the first step is to log into your eTrade account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by providing your personal information and completing the registration process. Make sure you have your funding sources ready, such as a bank account or a brokerage account, to facilitate your transactions. Once you are logged in, navigate to the bond trading section. This can usually be found under the Markets tab or Fixed Income menu. Within this section, you will find options for viewing different types of bonds. Use the search tool to find specific corporate bonds. You can filter your search based on criteria such as issuer, yield, credit quality, and maturity date to help you find bonds that meet your investment goals. When you find a corporate bond you are interested in, click on it to view more details. Take note of essential information, such as the bond's yield, price, and terms. Make sure to review the bond's credit rating and check for any associated fees. Once you are satisfied with your choice, select the option to buy. Enter the amount of bonds you wish to purchase and confirm the details of your order. After placing your order, you will receive a confirmation of your transaction. You can track your corporate bond investments through the eTrade platform. It is important to keep an eye on market trends and the performance of your bonds, as this will help you make informed decisions about future investments. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure that it aligns with your overall investment strategy.